Have you ever questioned the nature of time? Is it a steadfast constant, ticking away relentlessly, or a malleable entity subject to our perception and understanding? Today, we dive into the intriguing concept of time malleability. Picture this scenario. You're tapping on a table at a steady rhythm. Each tap represents the passing of 1 second. You continue this for 10 seconds, each tap a consistent beat in the rhythm of time. Now, you change the pace. You begin to tap once every 2 seconds. The rhythm has slowed, but has time itself changed? In essence, that's the concept of time malleability. It's the idea that our perception of time is not fixed, but can be manipulated and altered. Time in this sense is less like the rigid hands of a clock, and more like the flowing water of a river, changing its pace based on the landscape it traverses. This concept is not just a philosophical musing, it has practical implications in our day-to-day lives. Ever noticed how time seems to fly when you're engrossed in a thrilling novel, but drags when you're waiting for the end of a dull lecture? That's time malleability at work. Your perception of time adjusts to your level of engagement and interest. However, it's not just about personal perception, it's also about collective perception. Consider cultural norms around punctuality. In some societies, being 10 minutes late is considered rude, while in others, it's perfectly acceptable. This collective perception of time further illustrates its malleability. In the realm of science, time malleability takes on a whole new dimension. According to the theory of relativity, time is not a constant, but can be stretched or compressed by gravity and speed. This means time can literally slow down or speed up, depending on where you are in the universe and how fast you're moving. So, what have we learned today? Firstly, time malleability is the idea that our perception of time can be manipulated and altered. It's not a rigid constant, but a fluid entity, subject to our perception and understanding. Secondly, this concept is not just philosophical. It has practical implications in our daily lives, affecting how we experience and perceive events. Lastly, time malleability is not just about personal perception. It's also about collective perceptions and even the laws of physics. Dive deeper, question more, and remember, time may not be as rigid as we think. It's a fluid, malleable entity, subject to our perception, understanding, and even the laws of the universe. It's a concept that challenges us to rethink our understanding of the world, and isn't that what makes life so intriguing?